So you've identified that there is a community need and there's an opportunity to serve that need. Now it's time for a very clear statement of intent that binds us together in our shared pursuit. So that's this purpose piece. And that translates to an investment thesis. And you really don't want to write a paragraph or multiple paragraph long investment thesis. We want it to be short and sharp, maybe 2 sentences. The best way to do it is to think of it as a bit of a formula, right? So if we invest a type of capital, right? Are you doing equity, debt, royalties, grants? What type of capital are you using? Plus B, support. So that might be certain types of technical assistance, an incubator, an accelerator, into C kinds of initiatives. Are you investing in for-profits? Are you investing in co-ops? Are you investing in nonprofits? Are you investing early stage in startups or later stage in growth companies? Are you in a sector? Then you would expect D, financial, social, and or environmental returns, right? So we're looking at that integrated return, not just the financial return, but looking at, are you creating more power for your community? Are you building community wealth? What is the ecological footprint? So all that is wrapped up into your purpose statement. Don't try to write this as your first activity. It's something that you're going to be aiming for as you learn what your opportunity is. But again, here's an example. I'm going to read this out loud and then come back to the statement. So for Boston Impact Initiative Fund 2, we believe we can build a future where entrepreneurs of color and their communities have the financial, social, and political power to create a sustainable, inclusive, and equitable economy by investing integrated capital, primarily patient, non-extractive equity capital, in social enterprises and community-controlled real estate to increase wealth and asset building opportunities for communities of color. Now, I'm not pointing to that as a perfect investment thesis. It's the one that we've got for Fund 2, and you'll see elements of that statement in it. It's very clear about what type of capital. It's clear about who it's going to serve, what types of initiatives. It's pretty clear about what type of outcome we want, but it's got a lot packed into it, and you're going to need a lot more to express what you're actually doing. But again, it gives you that North Star. It points you in the right direction. And I will include in this presentation as an attachment other examples of investment theses from other funds. Again, don't try to get this right the first time around. You're going to keep iterating and iterating. But once you have it, you want it to be a compelling statement that, if true, would give you reason to be putting all the effort you're going to put into building your community-based fund.